Meaning of endanger.
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 Endanger. The word endanger means putting someone or something at risk of harm, damage, or injury. When someone or something is endangered, there can be serious consequences. For example, if a species of animal is endangered, it means that its population has declined to the point where it may become extinct. Similarly, when a person's safety is endangered, they may be at risk of physical harm or even death. The result of endangering someone or something can be catastrophic and should be avoided whenever possible to prevent harm and ensure safety.